Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys in class today. Today we are going to embark on a journey on how to multiply whole numbers and decimals. For instance, if you were given a question like this, what do you do? 4.3 has two digits which are 4 and 3, while the second number, which is 2, has only one digit. The number with more digits should be written at the top. I repeat, the number with more digits should be written at the top. So the number with more digits is 4.3. So you write 4.3 at the top. Then you write the second number at the bottom. Then you multiply. Now 2, we multiply all the digits that I circled at the top. So let's do the multiplication quickly. So you do 2 times 3, which is 6. Then 2 times 4, which is 8. Okay, now after this decimal point that I circled, how many digits do you see? We only have one digit after that decimal point, and that digit is 3. Okay, so you go to your answer and count one digit starting from the right. So let's count one digit. You have 1, and then you put the dot. So the answer is 8.6. Let's look at the next one. You have 6.92 times 26. How do you do this? Now you write 6.92 at the top because it has more digits than 26. Okay? 6.92 has 3 digits. 26 has 2 digits. So 6.92 has more digits than 26. So you write it at the top, 6.92. Then you put 26 at the bottom. Then you multiply. Now, this 6, we multiply all these digits that I circled at the top. Let's do that multiplication quickly. So you do 6 times 2, which is 12. Write down 2. Put 1 on top of 9. Then you do 6 times 9, which is 54. Plus the 1 on top, you have 55. Write down 5. Put 5 here. Then you do 6 times 6, which is 36. Plus the 5 on top, you have 41. So you write down the full 41. Now, before you use these 2 to multiply, you should write a 0 here first. Now, that 2 that I circled will equally multiply all these digits at the top. Okay? So you do 2 times 2, which is 4. You do 2 times 9, which is 18. You can't write the full 18. You write down 8. Then you put 1 on top of 6. Then you do 2 times 6, which is 12. Plus the 1 on top, you have 13. Write down the full 13. Then you add. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. And then you write your 1 again. Now here comes the question. Where will the decimal point be? Okay. Now after this decimal point that I circled, you have 2 digits, which are 9 and 2. So because you have 2 digits after the decimal point, you will go to your answer starting from the right. You count 2 digits. Let's do that quickly. You have 1 and you have 2. Then you put the decimal point here. So the answer is 179.92. Very easy. Let's quickly go on to the next question. Here you have 1.732 times 35. Like I said before, the number with more digits should be written at the top. I repeat, the number with more digits should be at the top. 1.732 has 4 digits, so I will put it at the top. 1.732. Then you write 35 at the bottom. 3 under 3, 5 under 2. You write the multiplication symbol and then you draw the line. Now, 5, we multiply all these 4 digits that I circled at the top, starting with 2. So you do 5 times 2, which is 10. Write down 0. Put 1 on top of 3. 5 times 3, that is 15. Plus the 1 on top, you have 16. Write 6, put 1 on top of 7. Then you do 5 times 7, you have 35. Plus the 1 on top, you have 36. Write 6, put 3 on top of 1. Then you do 5 times 1, which is 5. Plus the 3 on top, you have 8. Now, we are done with 5. Before you use these 3 that I circled to multiply, you have to write a 0 here first. Now that 3 that I circled will equally multiply all these 4 digits that I circled at the top. Let's do that quickly. So you do 3 times 2, which is 6. Then 3 times 3, which is 9. 3 times 7, which is 21. But you can't write down the full 21. No. You will write down 1. Then you write 2 on top of the 1 at the top. Then you do 3 times 1, which is 3, plus the 2 on top, you have 5. Then you add everything together. So you have 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. So you write down 2. You put 1 on top of 6. Now this one that is here plus 6, you have 7. Then plus 9, you have 16. Write down 6. Put 1 on top of 8. So you do 1 plus 8, which is 9. Then 9 plus 9, you have 10. Write down 0. Then you put 1 on top of 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now, where will the decimal point be in the answer? Now, after this decimal point that I circled, we have 3 digits, which are 7, 3, and 2. Now, because we have 3 digits after the decimal point, we will go to the answer. Starting from the right, we will count 3 digits. Let's do that quickly. You have 1, 2, 3. You put the decimal point. So the answer is 60.620. Here we've come to the end of this lesson. If you love my video, do well to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Like they say, good things are worth sharing. Have a great day. Bye.